a very special announcement. Can I get my dad out here, please? Very special announcement. Please, on the dance floor, Dad. Yeah, get your beer. No, we'll wait. It's all right. It's not like it's a special announcement or anything. All right, come up here. So, my father has always been a great source of wisdom. Sometimes it was actually right. As you get older. Well, Dad, you once told me that some people get what they deserve. And right now, you get what you deserve. For those of you who do not know, these are the children of his sister. He had us douse her with silly string at his wedding, or her wedding. And now he has gotten what he deserved. Dad, you are truly a genius. There you are. I learned so much. Anyway, sorry about the silly string, everyone. Damn it, I got on me too. It always happens. Anyway, let's dance, have a good time. Everyone, thank you so much for coming.